Hi, this is Michael Lewis with Kramer Electronics. I am at the Exertis Almo E4 show here in Teaneck, New Jersey. And one of the things that I'm very excited about is our new USB-C connectivity cable assemblies. Back in the day when HDMI was really popular, and it still is, we came out with the K-Lock, which gave 15 pounds of pulling pressure. What's beautiful about the K-Lock is that it doesn't pull out when it's inside of an input, so when you have it in racks and running all the cables throughout the rack, it's a secure connection. So we took that same technology and we put it in a USB-C cable. Now the USB-C cable is too small to have it on the outside, so we put it in the inside. And what's beautiful about that, we distinguish it by making it a purple color on the inside. And here I have a USB-C input device. This device weighs about 2 or 3 pounds, and you can see that it holds it quite nicely. So that's one edge that Kramer has with the USB-C cable. The other thing is that we're the only company right now that can give you a full-featured USB-C cable, which gives you the K-Lock, 10 gigabyte of data, plus 60 watts of charging over and up to 150 feet, a full-featured USB-C cable. So for more information, you can go to Exertis' website, or you can go to kramerav.com. Thank you.